Welcome to Archiesense. Cahuil House is a project that combines aesthetic design and functionality in a unique natural environment. With an area of 150 square meters, the house is built on concrete pillars and beams that were already present at the time of the purchase of the land, which determine the size and distribution of the spaces. This solid base allows the opportunity to take advantage of the spectacular views of the Cahuil Lagoon and the Pacific Ocean, which are the main elements in the design concept of the house. One of the important elements of this house is the use of panels, SIP, covered with brushed pine wood, providing natural warmth and textures that harmonize with the coastal landscape. The choice of this material strengthens the relationship between nature and architecture, creating a welcoming atmosphere inside the house. The design is designed to maximize interaction with the environment, highlighting the views of the sea and the lagoon, and taking advantage of climatic conditions, such as the sea breeze, that brings freshness to the space. Another feature of this project is the habitable roof, equipped with a bench made of railway tracks, which allows residents to enjoy the views from a privileged height. This roof functions as an observation platform, offering a 360-degree view while expanding the recreational area of the house. Casa Cahuil successfully balances aesthetics and functionality with a harmonious integration into its natural environment. The use of local materials such as wood, adaptations to pre-existing elements, and the innovation of a habitable roof make this home a sanctuary that maximizes the visual and sensory experience of its beachfront location.